Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video I will share how to make the snake, especially the python snake, just using the oval or ellipse tool. So let's get started. First of all, we can directly start with this tool, ellipse tool, or you can press L on the keyboard. Just point it to the center of your artboard and then just create oval, maybe something like this, and change the color to the black. These are the black parts or positive parts of the image. Next, can make the white parts, which is the negative parts, by copying the previous is oval. So it's just something like this. Okay, this is actually for the tail. And then next we make the body on the major parts that usually used for digesting. Maybe we can say the stomach, the long stomach. And then after this we can make another upper parts again for the white space. The white space, this would be become the parts that we draw the head of the upper parts under the head. Okay, then we can draw again the black parts. We can make something like this, or we can try to make a bigger one. And then after this we can make another white circle, oval. This is for the head parts that we will make later. And again, copy and paste again. Create for the black parts. It should be something like this. Okay, we want to curve this to something like curving back. Maybe we can increase the size of this part. Something like this. I think we need to appropriately make the appropriate size of the actual snake, body proportions, so we have the correct results. Then we create another copy oval again and just scale properly so it forms like the continuation of this overall oval shape. Just reduce the size, maybe something like this. Okay, we can make again. Okay guys, I think we have almost correct. We need to make a little up. We can drag it up a bit. To add the space for us to create the hat. We need to make it as accurate as possible. We need to be perfect for this shape proportion and the connection between the path. So it may take a while, and if you're bored, you can skip these parts. Okay, I think it's enough, guys. Just a little bit bigger. Okay, after this we can make the parts of the hat just using ellipse tool again and make the oval again, fill with the white colors, and to make the actual shape of the snake head you can use the oval again to cut another part, the left and the right parts of its head to make it more narrow. I think it's enough. Okay, we can remove we can cut it like this. Okay, guys, we have this head of this snake. Okay, I think this size is appropriate. I think it's proper enough. And then next is for the tongue. Still, we can use the oval again to make the tongue. Then we make the shape of the tongue just like this. Just create the flip copy and maybe we can still create more elongated, make it more elongated like this. Okay, the next we need to make another oval to create the cut. Maybe something like this. Oh, sorry guys, we need to make something like this, I think. Fill it with the white and just flip it again. Get the flip copy and okay, minus front with the pathfinder and just use this as the tool for cutting the this how you can say that, reptilian tongue, right? The reptilian tongue. Okay guys, I think we have this tongue perfectly shaped, and we just put this thing on the top of the head and fill it with the white color. You can scale it down a bit, and yeah, finally we have the complete image of the oval based Python snake logo, guys. And if you feel this image need some improvement, maybe if you have more ideas, you can still adjust on your own preference or your own imaginations. For example, we can adjust these things, or we can make this a little tilted, something like this, to be more realistic or natural in terms of the position or the body ratio. Okay guys, I think something like this. We need to be more, yes, we need to make it smaller. We can say that this is the bottom part, the end, the tail part. Yes, make it smaller. Yeah, I think it's fine. We can make some, we can just leave it like this. Okay, I think it's okay. It's enough, this creature's image. Okay guys, this is the results of the overall image of the python snake. And if you guys like this image, this logo, you can share this video to your friends. Or if you have another ideas or comment about how I draw this logo, you can just drop your comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.